Good morning, children. Today we will learn Junior 10th key, Zoom assignment key. So, you know very well that every time we are meeting with the Zoom assignment keys, which are called as the Narayana Live classes. See here, Narayana Live classes, key dated 25th, class 10th. Class 10th. So, what is the topic today? Social studies topic is India rivers and water resources. India rivers and water resources. So, this actually you know very well that many of the rivers are flowing through India, and out of these rivers, perennial rivers and peninsula rivers. Two types of rivers are there. Now, let us learn about the conservation of the water. We have seen that how the water is utilized in the industries, agriculture, how they have caused the problems. Now let us see the conservation of the water resources. So as a part of that, one particular area, that is Hivre Bazar. Hivre Bazar, which is in the Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra, it has been chosen under the Adarsh Gram Yojana. As a part of the Adarsh Gram Yojana, they were asked, that means the people were asked to maintain the water conservation techniques, and that was appreciated very much. So, the first question is that only. Which one is selected under the Adarsh Gram Yojana? Which village was selected? Hivre Bazar. So, the first one is Hivre Bazar. Which village is selected under the Adarsh Gram Yojana? That is the Hivre Bazar. That is in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. Okay. And they have practiced mainly four bandis. They have practiced mainly four bandis. One is Kurad Bandi. What is meant by Kurad Bandi? Kurad Bandi means ban on pre-filling. And the second one is Nasbandi. Nasbandi means following the family planning. The third one is Nasha Bandi. Nasha, alcohol completely banning. And the fourth one is Charai Bandi. Charai Bandi. Charai Bandi means ban on the grazing of the animals. So these four were practiced. So out of these four, they have given one to identify which one is the mismatch. Which one is the mismatch in the given two of the options. What is the first one? Kurad Bandi. Kurad Bandi means ban on felling trees. So that is correct. That is correct. Kurad Bandi is the ban on felling trees. That is correct one. And the next one, what is given? Nasbandi. Nasbandi. That means this one is given, and they have given the option ban on the liquor. That is not correct. Nasbandi means family planning. So what is the mismatch? Mismatch is Nasbandi ban on liquor. This is the mismatch. Actually, what should be there? There should be Nasbandi means family planning should be there. In the place of that ban on liquor was given. So that is the mismatch. That is the mismatch. And the Hivre Bazar, they have practiced some steps, certain steps for the promotion of the water conservation. What are that? They have banned the water intense crops, they banned the digging of the borewells, they banned the sale of the land to the outsiders, and like this they have practiced so many things. And also they have practiced four bandis. So what is the wrong statement? Nothing is the wrong statement. All the four are the correct ones. All the four are the correct ones. What is the first one? What is the first statement that they have given? The Hivre Bazar put restrictions on the digging of the borewells. Correct. Hivre Bazar district, Hivre Bazar village, they put restrictions on the digging of the borewells. That is correct one. And they stopped the cultivation of the water intense crops like banana, sugarcane, etc. That is also correct only. They also practiced. The sale of the land to the outsiders. What did they practice? They have practiced the sale of the land to the outsiders. That is the wrong one. That is the wrong one. That is what is that one? That is third statement. The third statement, that is practice of sale to the outsiders. Practice of sale to the outsiders. That is the wrong option. Sale to outsiders. That is the wrong option. And because that is not that, they banned the sale of the land to the outsiders, but instead of that they have given practice of sale to the outsiders. That is the wrong one. they practiced the four bandis. That is correct. They practiced the four bandis. So these are the things. Now children, that is then along with that, what did they practice for water conservation? Not only that, they have also practiced certain methods for the water conservation. What are the techniques that they have followed for the water conservation? That is soak pits. They have done the soak pits. Soak pits were taken. Contour trenches, that is continuous contour trenches also was there. Continuous contour trenches were there, and at the same time check dams were constructed. Check dams means what? Construction. When the water is flowing like this, if a little bit dam, little bit storage area, little bit higher area is there, means the water will store onto that and the remaining water will flow without causing any harm. So that reduces the water wastage and it consumes the water very less, and at the same time water can be conserved very good. So that is the reason check dams were constructed. So check dams, that is soak pits, CCTs, all these were the practices to conserve the water. Then what is the odd one that is there? That is culvert. Culvert means what? Culvert means an area where the water is allowed to go on. That's all. But means on a land bridge like thing. So this is not the right option, and hence the culvert is the odd one here, which is not at all a part of the conservation of the water. So culvert is the right answer. And in Hiware Bazar, as they have practiced soak pits, all these things, that the land under irrigation, it increased from 7 hectares to 72 hectares. The land in Hiware Bazar, it increased under the cultivation from 7 hectares to the 72 hectares. So that is the correct one. Now next one is this particular Hiware Bazar. Correct, the given statement was given. Hiware Bazar is in Ahmednagar district, so it is a rain shadow region. If it is in Ahmednagar, it may not be the rain shadow region. Actually, where is it situated? See here, that is in India, this particular Maharashtra state, Ahmednagar district. Here, the Sahyadris on the western Ghats are there, and beside is western Ghats, western side is fully water or rain region. But the eastern side is the rain shadow region. This particular Hiware Bazar is situated in the eastern side of the Hiware Bazar, which is the rain shadow region. So the correct one is this is in the eastern side of the Sahyadris. This is in the eastern side of Sahyadris. So that is the rain shadow region. That is the right option. So that is the right option, right children? So now here all these techniques are describing about the Hiware Bazar and the water conservation only. So what is the first question? The first question is regarding the which village is selected under the Adarsh Gram Yojana, Hiware Bazar. And the second question is what is the wrong matching? Wrong matching is Nasbandi, ban on liquor. Actually, Nasha Bandi means ban on liquor. Nasbandi means family planning. So that was mismatch. Nasbandi, ban on liquor is the wrong matching. And the next one is what did that Hiware Bazar practice? What did they practice? Four bandis were practiced. Continuous contour trenches were practiced. They restricted that total ban on the bore wells, and they have gone for the they have gone for the sale of the land to the others. So that is the wrong one. Practice of sale to the outsiders. Actually, they have banned the sale of the land to the outsiders. That was not there. Hence, this is the wrong option. And the next one is what is the odd one? CCTs, water conservation. Next, check dams, water conservation. Soak pits, water conservation. Culvert. It is for convenience, constructed for the transport or constructed for the movement of the people, and hence culvert is not a water conservation technique. So the odd one is culvert. Odd one is culvert. Okay. And due to all these steps in Hiware Bazar, the land under cultivation has raised from 7 hectares to 72 hectares. That means, see, from 7 they have raised it to 72 hectares in a year. means lots of improvement was there in the cultivation of the crops. Okay, and the next one is correct the statement. What is that? Hivre Bazar is in Ahmednagar district, so it is a rain shadow region. It is not because it is in the Ahmednagar district. It is because it is on the eastern margins of the Sahyadris. Eastern margins of the Sahyadris. These are the Sahyadris. No, this side is the rain shadow region. So, because they are in the eastern margins only, they are the rain shadow regions. Okay, these are all the, that is these are the different objective parts. And now let us learn about the one mark questions. What is the first question? The first question is, what are the four bandis? What are the four bandis? Quran bandi, first one, felling of the trees. Second one, what are Nasbandi, family planning. Third one, what are Nashabandi, that is ban on liquor. And fourth one, Charai Bandi, that means grazing of the animal shall be controlled. So these are the four bandis that were practiced. Once again, Kurat Bandi, Nasbandi, Nashabandi and Charai Bandi. These are the four bandis that were practiced. Then the next question is, this is the answer for the seventh question. Then eighth question is, what is the importance of the continuous contour trenches? See, when a land is there like this, around the land when a contour is done, what happens? It reduces the speed of the water. The water that is there, it will be falling onto this particular contour only. Hence, we can check the soil erosion, and at the same time we can also protect the water being runoff, water from the runoff. If it is going away also, it will stop. So water runoff is stopped, water conservation is there, soil erosion is also stopped. So like this, the continuous contour trenches, they will be helping in the promotion of the soil conservation or protects from the soil erosion. Soil conservation and at the same time water conservation. Both are there here in the soil conservation and water conservation. Both are there. So that is the importance of the CCTs. Due to this CCTs, what happened? They have practiced very well the water conservation techniques. And next one is, see how we can capture the rainwater. When the rainwater is coming down, how to capture the rainwater? How to capture the rainwater? See, whenever the rain falls, whenever the rain comes, if we dig the soak pits, soak pits means what? It allows all the water to deep or to seep into the underground. Underground means what? Underground water table will increase. So soak pits, one of the way. This contour trenches, CCTs, one of the things. Percolation tanks. Percolation tanks means what? Whatever the rainwater that is there, if a tank is constructed, but the construction of this tank is not with cement and concrete. If it is a mud, just a mud one, it will allow the water to seep down into the underground water. Percolation tanks. Okay, so percolation tanks and loose boulder structures. Loose boulder structures means what? Loose boulder structures means what? See, we should not construct very tightly, compactly, concrete or cementing. If we construct like that, nothing will go into the underground. So, loosely, we keep the soil loose. Then automatically the water is allowed and it will seep down and that promotes the water conservation. So, loose border structures, soak pits, percolation tanks, CCTs, check dams, all are the methods for the capturing of this rainwater. All these are the methods for the capturing of the rainwater. Okay, and now the next, then that means these are the different things. What are the different things? Check dams, CCTs, percolation tanks, soak pits, loose border structures. These are the different things. Now let us learn about the steps that are taken in Hivre Bazar. In Hivre Bazar, they have taken certain steps for the promotion of the water conservation. What are the steps taken by the Hivre Bazar for water conservation? That we will learn now. What are the steps? The first one is ban on felling of the trees. Second one is ban on borewells. Ban on borewells. Third one is ban on water intense crops. Water intense crops. That is also banned. And next one is ban on sale of land to the others. Ban on sale of land to others. That is also taken up. And the next one is the four bandis. The four bandis were practiced. They have gone for CCTs. They have gone for percolation tanks. Percolation tanks. They have gone for check dams. They have gone for check dams. So, with all these steps, the Hivre Bazaar, they were successful in capturing the rainwater and they were successful in promoting the water conservation techniques. That is the reason even today also we remember Hivre Bazaar. That's all for today. Children, tomorrow we will learn another part of this lesson. Until then, good evening. Thank you.